So you're thinking about moving to the Henderson, Nevada area, and you want to see what you can get for under 400,000. Yeah, we're going to step inside of these beauties and going to show you exactly what you can get here in Henderson, Nevada for under 400,000. And with that being said, guys, as we always like to say, let the show begin because we're going to get after it right now. Your first time to our channel and you want to know everything that there is to know in regards to moving into beautiful properties just like these here in the Henderson, Nevada area or in Las Vegas or in North Las Vegas, then make sure I can talk here. Make sure you subscribe below, tap that bell for notifications in regards to when we release new videos, just in case we may be talking about a property that you may be interested in. My name is Lavert Pompey Benefield, and I'm the team leader here of Team Lavert of eXp Realty. And we get phone calls and we get emails and we get texts every day from people just like yourself looking to figure out how they can move here to the Las Vegas, Nevada area or the Henderson area as of today. So we've been helping a lot of people buy and purchase beautiful properties. You may have seen me a little bit more so in multi-million-dollar properties over the last few videos, but we really wanted to make sure that we show you guys that there actually are beautiful homes just like these here for $400,000 here in the Henderson, Nevada area of Cadence. So with that being said, guys, please reach out, subscribe below, like we always say, tap the bell for notifications so that you guys can get those videos to make sure that you happen to see something that may work for you and your budget. We'd love to introduce you to them. So with that, guys, these beautiful properties in Cadence, let's go inside and take a quick look. Now, all of these, even though they have a different look as far as the facade or the exterior of the property, they're almost the same footprint. So we'll only be showing you one of these particular properties. But again, guys, if you have any interest in these gorgeous properties, about 1,453 square feet in regards to the square footage of the homes, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedroom properties, all that kind of great stuff, then make sure you reach out to us and we would love to get you into these properties. With that being said, guys, enjoy this beautiful home.